Welcome to Sri Guru Sudhendra College digital learning platform. So, dear BBA students, I'm very sure you are safe at home, taking care of your parents, guardians, and even the society. Please follow the rules and regulations set by the government of India, the state government, and the local authorities. At the same time, we can understand the differences in the academics. So from past 2 months, I'm very sure you all are regularly going through the college blog, SGS Tarang platform, and along with the YouTube regular video lectures, the pre-recorded video lectures, and the recently introduced the Google Classrooms. So in digital technology, the Guru Sudhendra College is utilizing its most, and the currently whatever you are witnessing, the screen, the frame is customized software which is designed by Sri Guru Sudhendra College Department of Computer Application. So we'll be using much and more technological applications. So let us learn something in the next 10-15 minutes on profile building. But before that, let me take you to the college. It's called Virtual Campus Tour. See, this is, I don't want to use a was, this is your place, right? So I can see you all here. I'm very sure you can recollect all your golden memories before in the month of March. The 13th was the last date where you attended the class. Now we are attending the classes virtually. This is the corridor where you used to roam here and there, used to enjoy a lot. And soon, once this lockdown ends, so once again, when as per the direction of the university and the UGC, once everything is normal, we'll be starting the regular sessions. And as per the direction of UGC, next academic year too, 75% is going to be through this normal face-to-face learning, and 25% of the classes it happens through this kind of digital platforms. Just imagine you are giving a presentation, a seminar through the digital platform. You'll be in a different block, or sometimes it may be an online method too, and the blended learning, and along with that the flipped learning, and there are much and more new technological educational applications which Guru Sudhendra College be using, and especially for BBA for the project as well as for assignment, we are developing a new application through app and through other methods itself. You can submit the content. So these are the new initiations what we have taken. And for all these things, what a candidate has to do is the finals, or it can be the pre-finals, even the first year students. So you must develop a special profile. Unless and until your profile is built, nothing can be done. So what profile is all about? So this profile is going to showcase your talent. Now what this talent is all about? See how a talent can be identified or it can be checked. So these are the four components which you are witnessing on the screen. So when you build a profile, this profile is going to show your knowledge, right? The profile is going to showcase your interest. It's going to show your strength. And finally, the very important thing, the skill. So the knowledge, interest, strength and skill. And commonly talking for a graduate, or when you talk about a student, this profile can be built in different ways, and one of the easiest way is through the resume building. So here this resume is very much important for a student. Earlier days, the student used to learn this kind of resumes post completion of graduation. But as you know, the method everything has changed, and the companies are coming to the campus for recruitment, and it happens in the final year itself. And this academic year is going to be very special because the pre-placement, the training and everything happens from the first year itself. So day one itself, the candidate, the student should have a resume. Without resume, it's very difficult to go ahead. So how to build a resume, how to prepare a resume? There are different methods, there are different application software through which you can do. If you are familiar with MS Word and other applications, you can do. But to have a basic resume, to have a very quick resume, there is a software application through which you can do it. We are going to learn it in this session. I'm very sure you are there with a notebook and a pen. You can just note down the points to which you can just elaborate or you can go through in future. See, please note down this website www.indiatyping.com. This is one of the websites. There are many such websites and this is one of the such websites through which the resume can be built very easily. Indiatyping.com. If you type and open the website, you are going to get this kind of a window. So in this window, there is a section here, jobs. In this job, you have to select this resume maker. So in job, you have to select the resume maker. As and when you select this resume maker, this kind of window, it appears. See here, it's already mentioned. Fill the following details and get your resume in just 2 minutes, right? Within 2 minutes, yes. Within 2 minutes, you can prepare a resume. That's the specialty of this particular website. But usually to prepare a resume, sometimes we take 2 months, 2 days, 2 hours. Here by just 120 seconds, your resume will be ready. Yes, I've tested it and it is working fine. You can just go through this. At first, you should mention the name, the proper gender and the name. So here I'm taking the example. Father's name to be mentioned, date of birth in a specific format, mobile number, the proper email ID, address, once again, the gender here. So if you mention all these things, it has to be very systematic. So don't copy from your friend because the facts are going to change. If it is MS Word, there you do copy paste, but here you will not get that opportunity. There's a one advantage of this. Just open the website, you will get jobs in that resume maker. There you just type the details. Now in the second phase, here you have to write the objectives, because see, writing these objectives and all is not so easy, right? I'm not talking about everyone, but normally, because the grammatical errors it may be, or the statement formation has to be done. But here no need to go through all those things because all the things are readily typed and available. You can just click on this, the list appears, you select whichever you want, right? So that's the advantage. Objectives that can be selected. Then along with that, experience. In case if you are experienced, here you can just mention your experience. Then post that your education, about your 10th, about your 12th, about the current graduation. In case if that particular course is available, you can just mention. Otherwise, there are some alternate options. This is the place where you have to mention the percentage. This is the passing year, or you can even mention the pursuing year. And this is regarding the board and college. The 2 steps. The third step is you have to choose the graduation and your course, whether diploma. In case if you have pursued diploma, you can write the diploma details. These are the additional qualification, ITI details, and your skill. All skills are readily available here. Whichever you want, whichever you possess, you just click, select. In case other than this, if something is there, you can click on the list and you can add that. So hobbies. All hobbies are already listed here. You can just click and select, and a photo. So your photo also, in case if the soft copy is available, otherwise somehow you have to store it. So soft copy photo, whatever is available, you can just click on this choose file and soft copy can be uploaded. Now what happens is this is very important. It asks the user with the multiple options. Here in this case it is asking which format you want. Format number 1, format number 2, format number 3. Right? So always we have to be unique, right? So don't be the follower, try to be the leader. So what you can do is, out of these 3 formats, there are customized formats are available, but basically to begin with, out of these 3 formats, whichever you want, you can just click and select. your resume opens like this. Here the 3 steps where your resume will be ready. Now you can select the color. See here, for this resume the background you have got, right, black color. If you want some other colors, by clicking on this particular button, what you can do is the list appears like this. Whichever color you want, you can choose. Once the color is set, once the content is ready, in case if you want to edit, you can go back and you can edit once. In case if printer is connected directly, you can print resume within 2 minutes. Your hard copy resume will be ready. In case if you want to save it in a PDF format, and if you want to send it through email or some other applications, you can click on make PDF and you can save the resume and you can use it. So this is the method through which you can create a resume. I'll show you a type of resume which I created. See, the same data if I have selected blue as a color and I got this. Mr. Tapasvi Shetty, father name, all dummy data, mobile number, some email ID, then the address is mentioned. See here, objective, no need to type, automatically I got. Experience, automatically it comes, just type, you will get it. Class, then percentage, your board, college, passing year, everything. Then in case if there are any certification courses, the skill, hobbies, even the declaration, it comes automatically. Date, that is you have to mention as per your requirement, signature. So this thing, it has come automatically. See, in this way the resume it builds directly. So this is the advantage of using this kind of software applications where the resume can be built very easily. indiatyping.com, in that jobs, in that resume maker, fill the basic details, fill the educational details, fill the advanced details, fill the details related to hobbies, skill, upload the photo. That's it. Within 3 steps, it will give you the 3 options. Whichever format, whichever the type you want, you can just select. Your resume will be ready. So this is about resume building. So under the banner of profile building as an add-on program, we'll be training our students on all these updated skills, because this is very much essential. You are witnessing these days, the system was and everything was traditional, everything was manual, and now the entire system has changed and everywhere people are adopting the digital technologies. Classes are happening through WhatsApp, classes are happening through YouTube, classes are happening through Telegram and all other different methods. When you talk about the business, the payment methods, you already know people are planning for contactless, the cash transactions. People don't want to exchange the currency, so they are going for mobile payment. Even the businesses, they don't want to use the normal methods for the transactions. So to manage the entire business, people are using ERP software applications, and for the finance applications, they are applying accounting softwares. Like that, in each and every area, you can consider any sort of a business, starting from the procurement up to the logistics, maintenance, human resource management, finance, marketing, advertisement. Every aspect, every area has digitized and people are using the technology. And now this is the time to learn the things, and this is the time to use the things. So in the upcoming sessions, we'll be training you on various different technological skills which a candidate has to adopt and candidate has to learn. Because once you complete your graduation, or during the graduation, think you are an entrepreneur. If you want to start a startup, if you want to be the part of a startup with the existing skills, it is very difficult, because you have to update yourself. You should learn what GST is all about. You should learn about the new taxes are all about. You should learn about the new technological skills, and without that, it's very difficult. So Sri Guru Sudhendra College, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration Department, is providing you all these kind of add-on skills. Please make the best use of these skills. Stay home, stay safe. Please follow the rules and regulations set by the central government, state government, and the local authorities. Please take care of your parents, guardians, and the society. Thank you.